Tired of constantly replacing watch batteries? Solar-powered timepieces harness light to keep ticking indefinitely. From rugged outdoor companions to sophisticated dress watches, these 10 solar marvels combine cutting-edge technology with timeless style. Let's explore the best solar watches available today. Number 10. Seiko Prospex Arni Solar Diver. The Seiko Prospex SNJ-025 pays homage to the iconic watch worn by Arnold Schwarzenegger in classic action films. This solar-powered diver features a robust stainless steel case with a distinctive tuna can design that provides exceptional protection in extreme conditions. The analog-digital hybrid display offers both traditional timekeeping and modern functionality, including dive computer features and a chronograph. Water-resistant to 200 meters, this timepiece is built for serious underwater adventures. The solar charging system ensures you'll never miss a dive due to a dead battery. Its bold aesthetic makes a statement on any wrist, whether you're exploring coral reefs or navigating city streets. The comfortable silicone strap handles everything from saltwater exposure to daily wear. Multiple time zone capabilities make it perfect for international travelers. The luminous hands and markers provide excellent visibility in low-light conditions. This watch represents Seiko's commitment to combining heritage design with innovative solar technology. For collectors and action enthusiasts alike, the Arni delivers uncompromising performance. Its legendary status and practical features justify its position as a serious tool watch. The SNJ-025 proves that solar power and vintage-inspired design can coexist beautifully. This timepiece offers exceptional value for those seeking adventure-ready reliability. It's a tribute to both cinematic history and horological excellence that never needs a battery change. Number 9. Casio G-Shock GAB 2100-1A. The Casio G-Shock GAB 2100 EBB-1A reimagines the iconic octagonal case design with modern solar technology and Bluetooth connectivity. This sleek, all-black timepiece features Casio's renowned shock-resistant construction that can withstand the toughest impacts and environments. The carbon core guard structure provides lightweight durability without sacrificing protection. Tough solar charging captures light from any source, ensuring continuous operation without battery replacements. Smartphone connectivity allows for automatic time adjustment across 300 cities worldwide, perfect for frequent travelers. The analog-digital display combines classic aesthetics with digital precision and functionality. Water resistance to 200 meters means you can wear it swimming, surfing, or diving without concern. The minimalist design works equally well with workout gear or business casual attire. Super Illuminator LED lighting ensures visibility in complete darkness. Stopwatch, timer, and alarm functions cover all basic timing needs. The bio-based resin material reflects Casio's commitment to environmental sustainability. This watch represents the evolution of the beloved GA2100 series with enhanced features. Its slim profile makes it one of the most comfortable G-Shocks for all-day wear. The GAB 2100-1A proves that rugged watches can also be stylish and sophisticated. For those seeking uncompromising toughness with contemporary design, this model delivers perfectly. Number 8. Seiko Astron GPS Solar. The Seiko Astron GPS Solar represents a technological breakthrough in timekeeping by combining GPS satellite connectivity with solar charging. This sophisticated timepiece automatically adjusts to your location's time zone by receiving signals from GPS satellites orbiting Earth. The perpetual calendar remains accurate until the year 2100, eliminating manual date adjustments for leap years. Tough sapphire crystal protects the dial from scratches while maintaining crystal clarity. The titanium case and bracelet offer strength comparable to stainless steel at half the weight. Solar charging stores enough power for 6 months of operation on a full charge, even without exposure to light. The chronograph function provides precise timing capabilities for various activities. Dual time display allows simultaneous tracking of 2 time zones, ideal for international business. Water resistance to 100 meters protects against splashes and brief immersion. Seiko's proprietary GPS technology achieves faster satellite connection than competing systems. The sophisticated dial design features applied markers and hands with LumiBright coating for nighttime visibility. Multiple dial color options allow personalization to match individual style preferences. This watch embodies Seiko's vision of the ultimate travel companion. Advanced technology doesn't compromise the refined aesthetic that Seiko is known for. The Astron GPS Solar eliminates common travel frustrations with seamless time zone transitions. It's an investment in precision engineering and convenience. Number 7. Timex Expedition Northfield Solar. The Timex Expedition Northfield Solar delivers practical outdoor functionality at an accessible price point. This field watch embraces minimalist design principles with a clean dial layout and straightforward Arabic numerals. Solar charging technology eliminates the need for battery replacements, making it perfect for extended wilderness adventures. The durable nylon strap withstands harsh conditions while remaining comfortable during all-day wear. Water resistance to 100 meters protects against rain, splashes, and water sports. Timex's legendary Indiglo backlight illuminates the entire dial with the press of a button for easy nighttime reading. The mineral crystal resists scratches from daily wear and outdoor activities. A date window at 3 o'clock adds practical functionality without cluttering the dial. The military-inspired aesthetic appeals to both outdoor enthusiasts and style-conscious urbanites. Lightweight construction ensures you barely notice it on your wrist during hikes or climbs. The stainless steel case provides durability while maintaining an affordable price tag. This watch proves that solar technology doesn't require premium pricing. Multiple color options allow customization to match personal preferences and gear. The Northfield Solar represents Timex's commitment to accessible innovation. For budget-conscious adventurers seeking reliable solar power, this timepiece delivers exceptional value. It's proof that sustainable watchmaking can be attainable for everyone. Number 6. Citizen Nighthawk EcoDrive. The Citizen Nighthawk EcoDrive combines aviation-inspired design with Citizen's pioneering EcoDrive solar technology. This pilot's watch features a slide rule bezel for in-flight calculations and conversions, maintaining authentic aviation heritage. The bold dial layout includes dual time zones, allowing simultaneous tracking of local and home time. EcoDrive technology converts any light source into energy, storing power for months of darkness. Water resistance to 200 meters exceeds typical pilot watch requirements, adding versatility for various activities. The stainless steel case and bracelet provide durability and professional appearance, suitable for cockpit or boardroom. Luminous hands and markers ensure readability in all lighting conditions, critical for aviation use. A date window provides everyday practicality without compromising the technical aesthetic. The unidirectional rotating bezel adds functionality for timing events during flight or other activities. Citizen's anti-reflective crystal coating minimizes glare from instrument panels and sunlight. This watch represents over 4 decades of EcoDrive refinement and reliability. Multiple dial color variations allow aviators to choose their preferred instrument panel aesthetic. The Nighthawk bridges the gap between professional tool watch and everyday timepiece. Its combination of complications never feels overwhelming thanks to thoughtful dial design. For aviation enthusiasts seeking authentic functionality with sustainable power, the Nighthawk excels. It's a testament to Citizen's leadership in solar watch technology. Number 5. Casio G-Shock GMW B5000. The Casio G-Shock GMW B5000 reimagines the original 1983 G-Shock design with premium materials and advanced technology. This all-metal construction features stainless steel case and bracelet with meticulous finishing that elevates it beyond typical G-Shock aesthetics. Tough solar charging ensures perpetual operation without battery anxiety, storing power for extended periods. Multiband 6 atomic timekeeping receives radio signals from 6 transmission stations worldwide for perfect accuracy. Bluetooth connectivity enables smartphone pairing for automatic time adjustment and additional functionality through the G-Shock app. Shock resistance remains uncompromising despite the premium construction, maintaining the durability G-Shock is famous for. Water resistance to 200 meters protects against swimming, snorkeling, and water sports. The full-auto LED backlight with afterglow provides excellent visibility in darkness. World Time function covers 31 time zones with 48 cities, perfect for international travelers. Stopwatch, countdown timer, and 5 daily alarms handle all timing requirements. The screwback case ensures long-term water resistance and durability. This watch represents the pinnacle of G-Shock evolution from humble plastic origins. Its iconic square case design is instantly recognizable yet feels completely contemporary. The GMW B5000 proves that indestructible watches can also be sophisticated and refined. For those seeking the ultimate G-Shock with premium materials, this model stands alone. Number 4. Seiko Prospex Speed Timer Solar Chronograph. The Seiko Prospex Speed Timer Solar Chronograph is an absolute monster of functionality and vintage-inspired design. This stunning timepiece features a bold chronograph layout with 3 subdials that command attention on any wrist. Solar charging technology powers the precise quartz movement without ever requiring battery replacement. The distinctive Panda dial colorway with contrasting subdials creates exceptional legibility and undeniable visual appeal. Sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating protects the dial while ensuring clarity from any angle. Water resistance to 100 meters makes it suitable for swimming and water sports despite its dressy appearance. The stainless steel case features alternating brushed and polished surfaces that catch light beautifully. LumiBright luminous material on hands and markers ensures readability in low-light conditions. A date window positioned at 4 o'clock maintains dial balance without interfering with the chronograph subdials. The chronograph measures up to 60 minutes with precise 1-second resolution. Push-button chronograph controls operate smoothly with satisfying tactile feedback. This watch draws inspiration from Seiko's legendary mechanical chronographs of the 1960s and 1970s. The combination of vintage aesthetics and modern solar technology creates something truly special. Its versatile design transitions seamlessly from boardroom to weekend adventures. The Speed Timer Solar represents exceptional value in the solar chronograph category. It's a monster because it delivers premium features without the premium price tag. Number 3. Citizen ProMaster Diver EcoDrive. The Citizen ProMaster Diver EcoDrive is a serious tool watch engineered for professional diving and extreme underwater conditions. This ISO-certified dive watch features water resistance to an impressive 200 meters with a screw-down crown for security. EcoDrive solar technology ensures reliable operation during extended dive expeditions without battery concerns. The unidirectional rotating bezel with distinct minute markings allows precise dive time tracking as required by ISO standards. Super bright luminous markers and hands provide exceptional underwater visibility in murky or dark conditions. The date display at 4 o'clock adds everyday functionality without compromising the technical dial layout. Citizen's anti-magnetic technology protects the movement from interference by diving equipment and electromagnetic fields. The mineral crystal resists impacts and scratches encountered during underwater exploration. Comfortable polyurethane dive strap withstands saltwater exposure and adjusts easily over wetsuits. Multiple dial color options allow divers to choose their preferred underwater visibility characteristics. Power reserve indicator shows remaining charge, eliminating surprises during critical dive operations. This watch meets genuine dive watch specifications rather than simply sporting a diving aesthetic. The robust case construction protects internal components from pressure changes during ascent and descent. Citizen's decades of EcoDrive refinement ensure reliable performance when your life depends on accurate timing. For serious divers seeking dependable solar-powered performance, the ProMaster delivers authentic capability. Number 2. Casio G-Shock GW9400 Rangeman. The Casio G-Shock GW9400 Rangeman stands as the ultimate survival watch with triple sensor technology and military-grade toughness. This tactical timepiece features a digital compass, barometer, altimeter, and thermometer for complete environmental awareness. Tough solar charging combined with multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping ensures perfect accuracy without battery replacements. Mud resistance protects all buttons and sensors from dust, dirt, and debris in extreme outdoor conditions. The distinctive asymmetric case design position sensors optimally while maintaining G-Shock's legendary shock resistance. Water resistance to 200 meters allows underwater use during water crossings and aquatic activities. Sunrise and sunset data helps with trip planning and navigation in wilderness environments. Barometric pressure. Trend indicator warns of approaching weather changes before they arrive. The high-contrast negative display with large digits ensures readability in bright sunlight or darkness. Super Illuminator LED with afterglow provides extended visibility during nighttime operations. World Time Function covers 48 cities across 31 time zones for global expedition planning. 5 daily alarms and countdown timers support complex mission timing requirements. The textured resin band prevents slippage during sweaty or wet conditions. This watch has earned its reputation among military personnel, search and rescue teams, and serious outdoorsmen. The Rangeman represents the pinnacle of G-Shock's professional survival tool lineup. For those venturing into extreme environments, this solar-powered companion is indispensable. Number 1. Casio Edifice Solar Chronograph. The Casio Edifice Solar Chronograph claims the top position by combining sophisticated styling with comprehensive functionality at remarkable value. This stunning timepiece features a polished stainless steel case and bracelet that rivals luxury brands in finishing quality. Solar charging technology powers the precise chronograph movement indefinitely without battery anxiety or replacement costs. The tachymeter bezel allows speed calculations based on time and distance, useful for motorsports enthusiasts. 3 chronograph subdials provide stopwatch functionality measuring up to 24 hours with precise tracking. Sapphire crystal protects the multi-layered dial from scratches while offering superior clarity compared to mineral glass. Neobrite luminous coating ensures excellent visibility in darkness without requiring light exposure beforehand. Water resistance to 100 meters protects against swimming and water sports despite its dress watch appearance. The date window at 4 o'clock balances the dial layout perfectly without cluttering the chronograph complications. Multiple time zone function allows tracking of 2 locations simultaneously for international business or travel. The bracelet features a secure 3-fold clasp with push-button release for confident wearing. Casio's attention to detail shows in the applied markers and multifaceted hands that create depth. This watch delivers features typically found in timepieces costing significantly more from traditional brands. The Edifice line represents Casio's vision of accessible luxury powered by sustainable solar technology. It's number 1 because it offers unbeatable value without compromise. These 10 solar watches prove you never need to replace another battery. From rugged outdoor warriors to refined dress pieces, solar technology has revolutionized timekeeping. Number 4 truly stands out, but each watch offers unique benefits. Which solar-powered timepiece will you choose?